How to change car and color in Rocket Racing Fortnite. So first, you just simply need to click on your locker here at the top left. Once you're there, you will see your car body right here. So I don't have any car body yet, but if you have one, you just simply need to click on the edit button. So first select that particular car body, then click on edit. Same it goes with the decal. If you have any decals, you could use it. And for the wheels, I don't have also any wheels that are editable. But as you see, my trail here is editable. I think all of the trails are editable. So, for example, if let's say this is the car body, you simply need to click on edit and it will show you all of the colors available and all of the colors that you need to unlock. And for the boost, same process. Go click on the boost, click on edit, and you can select any boost that you want. And that's basically it.